let's bleach my brows.
And the paint experience was like,
guys, like, do you guys love it? The change starts now. Good morning, everyone. I just came back from the gym and I'm trying to get my life together. Like, I have been falling off of my routine. So today's the day I get my shit together. And look, I made my matcha latte. I made it with like the Nespresso like steamer milk thing. So it froths up your milk and heats it up. And then I put some matcha in this. This is actually like a yogurt container. But I thought I liked the packaging of it, so yummy. Okay, as you can see, I changed into a sweater because I was getting a little chilly. I couldn't deal with the short sleeve anymore. On my little break, I made myself another matcha. This time I made an iced matcha. I love this little container. I'm gonna continue doing some work. And so this setup here is actually my sister's remote work setup. I usually work in my other room, which you guys see me film in sometimes. I have a separate monitor there. I've been finding that working here makes me a lot less distracted. And yeah, so I'm trying to work here now because sometimes I need to work longer hours and I cannot be focusing in the room. I feel like here it's much more open and it helps me facilitate an environment that is much more productive. So for work today, I am just downloading files and I am going to be reading through some of them as well. If I were to explain to you guys like what my job is, I really have like no idea. I think my tasks will change as the project progresses, but basically I'm a project assistant is how I would best sum it up. Let's get to work. Okay, so what you are about to see is my mess of a room and it is so gross and I have been putting off cleaning it for the longest time, but we're gonna change that today. We are going to clean my room and let me just show you what I'm working with, okay? So I literally have a bunch of clothes here. I have a bunch of clothes on the floor here. My laundry, some clothes I need to donate, messy perfume table. Yeah, this is the state of my room right now. Like, I cleaned up my makeup room, my makeup table, literally like a couple days ago and it's a mess again. And here, Appa is just chilling against all of the mess. So yeah, this is what I'm working with. And the change starts now. I literally just have my grad dress hanging on my door. I need to sell that soon. Like, I'm hiding all of these clothes under here. This is my pajama fit right now. Yeah, I need to clean all of this up. Appa, say hi. Okay, you're so cute. You're so cute. Binky! Say hi, Binky! Yeah, say hi. You just rubbed up against the viewers. You rubbed up against the viewers. So cute. I don't even know where to start. Like, I'm kind of overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed already. And oh my god, I also broke my tripod, so I can't even prop my camera up on places properly. One good thing about cleaning my room is that I'm gonna put something on to watch while I clean. And my friend recently left the country, so he let me borrow his projector. So I'm actually currently trying to learn Japanese. So I'm probably gonna watch Jujutsu Kaisen to try and absorb some more Japanese. That's probably one of my favorite ways to learn a language, is to watch their media.
私が見たものは何も珍しくない。周知の集約。
多額の借金を苦にして一家心中。以来社長宅は心霊スポットとして噂となり、地元の中高生や県外の大学生、フリーターなどが肝試しとして訪れ、相次いで行方不明に。
got messy because we recently cleaned it up, but it's starting to look like very disorganized. Okay guys, this is the finished look. She's so much cleaner, right? I finished my closet area, looking so much more cleaner. You like it? You like it? Yay, all done. Look at my room now. Gorgeous and clean. Room reveal. Gorgeous and clean room with my kitty cat on the side. Sick. He came back as soon as it was clean. Yes. You don't like dirty spaces. You're so luxurious.
Recently, I've been in my gym flop era. All of summer, I barely went to the gym consistently because I was just out doing other things and I couldn't be bothered. I felt like the gym was so boring to me, but I'm starting to lose muscle and I can feel it. So I'm re-entering my gym era. I mean, summer was fun and everything. I was out, I was playing tennis, I was doing various sports, I was walking a lot. But now that summer's over, I have to lock in. I have to lock in and regain the muscle that I lost. Let's get our shit together. And it's already starting to be so cold in Vancouver, so I can't be bothered to wear anything short. I get cold so easily. This is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing a long sleeve athletic shirt and some sweatpants. And my philosophy for getting back into the gym is to keep your sessions short. Like, I think I'm gonna go for like 15-20 minutes max because I'm just easing back into my gym routine. So I can't even think about going to the gym for like an hour right now. So I'm just gonna go for 15-20 minutes.
Is that for the laser?
Yes.
Okay, you need to text her and have a seat because she's not with our system.
Oh, okay. Hello. I've just finished my laser appointment and the pain experience was like a 6 out of 10, but at the same time, I'm also a big puss and pain is really painful to me. I'm not like a tough it outer. I'm kind of a pussy, so I really need laser. I don't know why my hairs are so strong. They just love to come back and bite me in the ass. So it was worth it. It was worth it. Now I'm on my way to my haircut appointment and I'm very excited because I need a refresh for real. See you guys later.
Okay guys, I just got home from my haircut and let me just show you how nice it is. You're shook. I'm shook. Oh my gosh, it looks so nice. I really need to remember to close the window when I'm filming. I'm so sorry about the train noise, but guys, like, do you guys love it? Do you guys love it? Do you love it? Like, it's so nice. My girl Nina slays my hair every time, and I gave her some inspiration pics for sure, like these ones. And she really put me in my place and was like, girl, like that's nice and all, but I think it would be better if you did it like this. She always gives such a fire consultation because I know nothing about hair, and so she always gives me the best recommendation. I love the layers. I wanted to chop off my dead ends. It feels so good. Oh my gosh, like yeah, I was so fucking hungry. I'm gonna make myself some food because I'm starving. Literally, what am I going to eat? I'm gonna eat this hair up. I literally don't have anything in my pantry, and oh my god, this is a nightmare. I'm going to have to cook. Oh, I'm like not the best cook in the world, and like I'm so lazy and hungry right now, but maybe if I drink this, it'll help me feel better. Cheers. Spicy. I just remembered that this was a getting my life together video and I should probably cook. Honestly, if it were up to me, I could not be bothered to cook, and I'm probably content just eating like a piece of bread. Like that's not the best nutritional option for me, but like I kind of enjoy just eating a piece of bread or like really bad spaghetti. Is anyone else like that? Like I don't know what's so good about it. Like it's just so delicious to me. Sometimes like flavors are like overwhelming. It's like stimulating. Yum. Cheers. Oh my god, that's so much better. Currently warming up some soup that my mom made this morning, but I know I'm gonna want a little bit more than that. So what can I make today? Oh my gosh, there's literally nothing. Y'all, I'ma fold. I'ma just eat some ramen. Oh my gosh, I found some soba noodles. I freaking love soba noodles. So maybe I'll just eat this and have some soba sauce, and then add some veggies and like a little bit of my mom's like soup and the meat that she cooked. Okay, yeah, like that's a meal, right? Okay guys, believe it or not, I made that. Yes, I did. I'm so proud. I just boiled some noodles and then put together some soy sauce and rice vinegar, and then put on top some furikake and some I forgot, Japanese like udon spice. And then on the side, my mom's lovely soup for some protein. I can't believe I whipped this up, guys. Believe it or not, I did that. Itadakimasu. Let's see how this tastes. This could either be really shit or really good. I'm ready to deal with the consequences. So I think the seasoning that I put in there was wasabi seasoning, and it's meant for rice. It's kind of spicy, but I don't mind it. It's not giving what I thought it was going to give, but it's still kind of good. Let's bleach my brows. So right now my brows are like super dark, like this is their natural color, and just like my hair, I don't like dark hair on me or dark eyebrows on me. I realized that I am a low visual weight girl, and sorry about the sunlight. It's actually, the sun is setting right now and I don't get the best lighting in my room when sunset, but hopefully that light helps. But yeah, so I like to bleach my brows, and ever since I started bleaching my brows, I could not stop bleaching my brows. Like I'm just a low visual weight girl, so these have got to go. And I'm also going to be filming a TikTok at the same time, so don't mind me. I'm trying to be in my content creator era. So this is the brand of bleach that I use. I think everybody uses this one, and there's not much to it. I literally just use cream with accelerator. Oh, I kind of forgot how to do this. So I think I mix, it's like a 1-to-1 formula. Oh yeah, I use it on the cap actually. I put some of this on the cap. I put a scoop of the accelerator on the cap, and then a scoop of, oh my gosh, I'm spilling everywhere. The bleach. Why am I holding everything at once? A scoop of the powder, the bleach powder, and then I just put it into a paste like so, and then I scoop the contents and put it onto my brows. There is so much going onto my skin that is of concern. Hey Google, put a timer on for 8 minutes.
Okay, 8 minutes. Starting now.
I'm gonna wipe the bleach off of my skin. I look kind of scary, so I'm just gonna wait like 8 minutes and then I'm gonna rub this off. Okay guys, I think it is ready because the timer just went off, but honestly it doesn't look that dark, like that light, so I don't know. I'm kind of tempted to keep it on for a bit longer. I think I'm gonna keep it on for like a little bit longer. I think if it turns out like really light, I can just color it back in. It doesn't look like the bleach is doing anything right now though. Okay guys, I'm gonna take it off. Bro, I feel like there's no difference. Why does it look like the exact same? I think I'm going to have to do another round. Yeah, this looks the exact same. Nothing happened here. Yo, nothing happened. Let me try again. Okay, I'm going to try that again. I think the first time I did it, I definitely had to do it twice because my hairs they're just rebellious. They don't want to turn. They don't want to convert. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna try that again. I'll see you guys in a couple minutes. Okay, y'all, moment of truth. This is round 2, and I think it's been collectively on for 16 minutes, and the recommended time is actually 11. Oops, I'm so sad. It looks like regular. It doesn't look like it bleached my brows at all. Well, that was disappointing. It literally did nothing. Maybe it needs like a couple of hours to like develop and lighten up, but I think I'll just have to try again next time. I didn't want to end the video like this. Okay, well, I'm gonna go shower. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I'll bleach my eyebrows again and then it'll be better. Like I'll get a better result. But for now, literally nothing happened. Sorry guys. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you for getting my life together with me. And I'll see you in the next one. Love you, bye. Mwah.